guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make somebody look slimmer on CapCut PC. Select your video and you're just going to go to the retouch area, go to body, enable the body section, and here you can basically make somebody slimmer here. You can adjust their body, their waist, their legs, their arms, but this is a pro feature, and that's pretty much how you can make your body slimmer. It works on videos, it works on like 2 people as well if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. He looks snatched. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.